Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another interesting video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter cookies. Who doesn't love peanut butter cookies? These cookies are one of my most favorite cookies in the entire world because I love peanuts. So let's begin making these cookies. So first off, I'm going to be combining my wet ingredients. To my bowl, I'm going to be adding 2/3 cup of softened butter. To my butter, I'm going to add 1 cup sugar. Then I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix. So scrape the bowl. Then I'm going to add my 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of peanut butter into my bowl. Whisk. Scrape the bowl again. Whisk again. So I've been mixing on medium speed. I'll put this aside. Then in another bowl, I'll mix my dry ingredients. So I'll add 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour to my sieve. That's 1 cup and 1/3 cup. Also, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. There you go. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There you go. Sieve in my flour. Then I'll put this aside. Take my wet ingredients. Then, because I forgot to add vanilla, I'm going to add vanilla essence. Don't forget like me. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And now it's time to add my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Mix on low speed. Scrape the bowl. Because on the bottom side of the bowl there's usually flour. Now I'll use my hands to finish up making the dough. So don't be shy. Actually, it is really easy when using your hands and faster. So as you can see, a dough has been formed. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now it's time to make my peanut butter cookies. So I'm going to use my hands and mix small balls, not small, just average balls. Place it on my baking sheet. So the next step, I'm going to be using my fork to press down the cookie. There you go, my cookies are ready to go into the oven and I am super excited. And there's the bell. Now I'm going to bake my cookies for 10 minutes. My peanut butter cookies are ready, as you can see, and I'm already salivating. Even I'm not salivating, I've already eaten one. They are so good that I couldn't resist having one. So they have been cooling for around 10 minutes. So now I've melted some chocolate, dark chocolate, in my bowl. So now I'm going to pick one cookie and dunk it in the chocolate, just to add some extra vibe to it. Because why not? So now, my cookie. So I'm just going to dunk it halfway. Look at that. So what I did to my dark chocolate, I just microwaved it. So I'll keep this here to cool. My cookies are soft and chewy with that extra peanut butter taste. Trust me, these cookies are to die for. No, actually they're so good, trust me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try out these PB cookies. Ciao!